Yo, what up guys? So this is not another tutorial video. I just want to invite you to the YouTube Money Code webinar where I'll practically show 100 people how they can start, grow and monetize their YouTube channel. So if you have always wanted to have your channel and make money from this same channel, then you should register for this webinar. Now I will share with you so many things like 5 profitable niches to venture into in 2022, the most important metrics to pay attention to, and even if you are camera shy, I'll also show you how you can create your YouTube content. The thing is, this particular webinar is for free, but you need to register so as to secure your slot because you have just limited space available. So if you are interested, just go to adelikesamuel.com/YMC. Go there, register, and I will be waiting to see you. And here is the thing, in case you are watching this video after April 30, it means you will be accessing the replay of the live webinar, but the replay is not for free. So if you want to get access to this video for free, then register and join the live session. After then, you are paying some money to get the same access. I am ready, super pumped to grab your hand and walk you through how you can get this done on Saturday by 9 p.m. Nigerian time. And one more thing guys, in case you are planning to jackpot to abroad, I will share a story of how I was able to do this as a YouTuber from Nigeria to Poland. So there are so many things I'll be sharing in this webinar. Just go to adelikesamuel.com/YMC and I will see you in the webinar. Bye for now.